Here we are, folks. You can see we're in a bit of a storm. Come down here. I haven't fished. Tom's never fished down here. Well, it's been once. We didn't stay long. I've caught a few pike over the years, but we haven't fished it for about 4 or 5 years. Well, there might not be anything here now. Well, let's see if we can get one. It's not looking too good, the weather. So you can see it wasn't one of our better ideas coming down fishing today. There's going to be a massive storm tomorrow, so yeah, we're going to go up to the river, so it's a bit better choice than river.
Well, yeah.
Even though the river's behind us, we'll have to keep an eye on it. Get stranded. Yeah. I'm not sure if we're going to catch out today, folks. Well, I have, haven't I? Right, folks. It's got a few bites there. I think it is a pike. Yeah, man. Oh, it's small one. Oh, it's chucked him. How big were it? What? £10. Oh. The endless pike. I never had them drop them before like that. Stupid. Might have just run into a line, Tom.
Hans thing didn't pull out. On. That's reasonable. £10 of that, isn't it? Yeah, well, that quarter. Not ready yet, will it? Right, folks, Bob's got a micro on. Oh, looks reasonable actually. £2.
Nothing on.
Yes.
In the net.
£10, isn't it?
No.
Whatever. £2, isn't it? What's your eye, Mr. Bob? Nice one, folks.
Picture, Tom. Nice one. 3 times it took it. And then we decided to take it again.
Looks reasonable.
The smell.
Clean and clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice. What's that road, folks?
Right, Tom's just moved up there to the next peg. I don't know if you can see him. What we're going to do is we're going to have half an hour in that peg, and then we're going to move down towards the gate. Just had that one fish, unfortunately I didn't turn the GoPro on. I think Tom's got a bit of the footage on it, but 3 times it came back and had a go. But it wanted the fish. I had it on once and I don't think it felt the hook, I think it just spat it out. Then I got a couple of knocks and then it took it again. It was, probably about £8, not a bad fish. But we'll just see if Tom can get one. Tom's never had one in this water. He's just casting it out. He's got the same baits on as me. We'll just see if we can get another one out and get a bit better footage. It'll be only a short video, this one. I mean, the weather was so bad we were thinking about packing up at one stage. I think we'll probably go stick it out now.